because he used to wear this.
ว่าสีเช่นรังให้ให้รุกกันได้สกาลาเดโอกันได้สกาลาเดโอกันได้สกาลาเดโอกันได้สกาลาเดOi oi Khon, oi oi Khon, oi oi Khon, what's the Jlawdohtir?
Yo, hello everyone, Khasi people, Meghalaya, peace from Africa, welcome back all. Today we are checking for the first time Kupar Shadap feat Jlawdohtir. This is Jlawdohtir, I think before I watched this guy, but Kupar Shadap is my first time going to check. And the music title is Oi Khon, Oi Khon, Oi Lady. I think so, right? So we're going to check out for the first time and hope we'll see something spicy because I'm going to rate him out, his talent and the music overall. We are reacting from Amos Studio, and don't forget, join the African family. Subscribe guys to watch more Khasi music reaction. Let's go. Oi Khon, push up. Hey. Wait. There's something I saw similar. This man, the one wearing the wig, I think she's the one who's called Khon. She has I reacted to her I think before. Is expressing about the kids.
Oi Khon, oi Khon, what's the salon? Oi Khon, oi Khon, what's the salon? Iwayo ubom ucho ya ulang dung wasi chen rang.
You know guys, actually like yeah, this one, the lady you're seeing wearing that wig, I think there is one guy who make videos. His channel is called Kong, something like that. He has a rap battle between the mom and like the son and mom, like that. Like, oh, what I'm trying to say guys, is he the one or not? Because he's so funny. I reacted to 2 or 3 of his video and I just forgot his name. He's so funny and he always sing also in English, and his thing is so nice, so amazing and so comedy. Like, I'm just doubting if he's the one or not. Let's check. Because he used to wear this.
Oi Khon,
elders falling in
โอ้ย
love.
โคนบอมลาเป็นคนมานูบายโยมันบอมบันชัวอย่าอีเป็นหลอดอีบ้าเล่รอมานูบายโยมันบอมบันชัวอย่าอีเป็นหลอดอีบ้าเล่รอมานูบายโยมันบอมบันชัวกี่คนเล่มนกี่คนเล่รอWorking days, segala day.
Oh, hey.
Working days, segala day. Working days, segala day, day, day. Working days, segala day.
Deng, not dengue, okay? Dengue
Sнял
boy.
suki e, walang hi chay ni chat nong yong i. Sнял suki e, sнял suki e, walang hi chay ni chat nong yong i. Nong yong i. อยากแม่นอยากขายอย่าชาติอยากวายยกกูกะรียองอีอยากแม่นอยากขายอย่าชาติอยากวายยกกูกะรียองอีปีไลนี้อุโยว่ากอดโดนอีมันเข็นโรปีไลนี้อุโยว่ากอดโดนอีมันเข็นโรอยากแม่นอยากขายอย่าชาติอยากวายยกกูกะรียองอีอยากแม่นอยากขายอย่าชาติอยากวายยกกูกะรียองอี
Even the grandma is dancing. She,
Working days, segala day. Working days, segala day. Working days, segala day, day, day. Working days, segala day. Oh, what go?
thank you.
Oh, what go?
Oh, what?
Oh, go?
Oh my gosh. The ending is so crazy, so nice. He threw that kid so up. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you. You made our days. Kupar Shadap, Jlawdohtir. Nice music video, guys. So funny. I'm pretty sure those kids they enjoyed. They had good time with you guys because the music is funny and amazing, entertaining also. So that is it. I'm just doubting. Is she the one, the guy who is acting like a grandma? Is she the one who did the rap battle of the son and mom? Is she the one or not? Because that lady also is not a lady. It's just a man who wear like a lady, and this is a popular dress. He became known by that. So I'm just confused. Or this is another guy with another character. I don't know. Anyway, amazing. Peace out. Love from Africa. Subscribe. Thank you.